Hello class 12. Today I am going to start with this topic, the early man. In previous video we study about the ape men and prior to ape men and the second ape men. Ape men are Australopithecus, Homo habilis and Homo erectus in your syllabus. Now today I am going to start with the early man. Okay, early men in your syllabus are of three types. Homo sapiens neanderthalensis, also called Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. Second one is Cro-Magnon. Cro-Magnon, also called Homo sapien fossilis. And third one, man of today, or also called Homo sapiens sapiens. Man of today, also called Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay. Neanderthal. Now first we start. I am going to start with this Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. Its fossil were first discovered by C. Dot Feuerat. Okay. And as you know, the name Neanderthal man is actually used loosely to nearly dozen related races of Neanderthals which lived in Europe, the Far East and Africa. Okay, the typical Neanderthal man was first one, Neanderthal man. Okay, first scientific name. Scientific name is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. Neanderthalensis. Okay, it is a scientific name and discovered by C. Port. And as you know, Neanderthal man, a typical Neanderthal man was short. Okay, is short and less than 50 centimeter. 150, less than 150 centimeter in height, but was heavily built and very strong and curiously outward curved thigh bone. The thick bone is curled. Okay, bone is curled. कैसा होता है? Thick bone is curled. Boned skull and depressed and protrude behind the forehead and low and sloping. It was very broad and flat brow ridges. Okay, broad and flat brow ridges. And cranial capacity is was about 150 centimeter cube. Okay, cranial capacity was about 1450 centimeter cube, being equal to that of the modern man. He was intelligent enough to have devised and use a variety of excellent flint tools. He was capable of communicating by some sort of symbolic language and developed primitive type of social life. He buried his dead with considerable ceremonies, and the Neanderthal man was a contemporary of the modern man, but was nomad and did not practice agriculture. Okay, so that and animal domestication. He lived in caves. अच्छा ठीक है, इनको एग्रीकल्चर करना नहीं आता था और इनको एनिमल डोमेस्टिकेशन भी नहीं पता था. Okay, and lived in caves and used to cover his body with the skin of animal. ठीक है, कवर हिज बॉडी विद द स्किन ऑफ एनिमल्स. ओके, cover his body with the skin of animals. This is the characteristic feature of the Neanderthal man, short less than 150 centimeter and thick boned skull, broad and flat brow ridges, 1450 centimeter cube, cranial capacity, lives in caves and body covered by his body covered by skin and skin of animals. Okay, and though don't know about the and did not practice the agriculture and animal domestication. Now second one, Cro-Magnon. Second one is Cro-Magnon. Cro-Magnon, name Homo sapiens fossilis. Homo sapiens fossilis. Homo sapien fossilis. Okay, and the Neanderthal dominated the scene in Europe in the glacial period and spread to South Asia and Africa as the glaciers began to recede from northern Europe. A new race of man began to infiltrate from the east in the Europe. The Cro-Magnon lived in nearly 50,000 years ago and became extinct only about 220,000 years ago. Okay, Cro-Magnon as its fossil were first recovered from Cro-Magnon rocks. कहाँ से मिला था ये? Cro-Magnon rocks were of France. Okay, by MacGregor. Okay, Cro-Magnon firstly recovered from the Cro-Magnon rocks of France by MacGregor in 1868. Okay, later a large number of other fossils were recovered from Germany, and the Cro-Magnon was about 180 centimeter cube tall. Okay, 180 centimeter cube tall and was steady body and cranial capacity of about 1660 centimeter cube. Okay, much more than the modern man. His face was perfectly orthogonous with a elevated nose and broad and arched forehead, moderate brow ridges, strong jaws with men like dentition and well developed chin. Chin यहाँ पे क्या है? Well developed chin. Okay, and he was swift-footed, cave-dwelling, hard worker, and intelligent hunter. And he knew the art of painting and did excellent paintings and carving of animals in his caves. He made tools. Okay, he made tools, carved ornaments and from ivory, made finely chipped stone arrows and a spearhead and sewed crude garments and skin of animals. Moreover, he knew the use of fire. Okay, and he did some religious belief and elaborate burial customs. However, he neither practiced agriculture nor animal domestication. He also. Okay. Now next one, man of today, Homo sapiens. Man of today, Homo sapiens. Men of today, that is Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens sapiens, man of today. Fossils of the modern man, Homo sapiens sapiens, have been found in late Pleistocene deposit in France, Java and South Africa. It is believed that the man of today first appeared about 11,000 years ago. ठीक है, 11,000 year ago. Okay, in the region around the Capsicum and Mediterranean seas, from it is diverged westward and eastward and southward, changing into the present day white Mongoloids and black Negroid races respectively. Okay, age appearance millions of years ago is 0.03 years. Okay, and skull value, let skull, shorter skull, reduced jaws, perfectly ornithogonous, teeth closer together, wisdom teeth present, wisdom teeth present. Okay, diet omnivorous, omnivores, and posture 180 centimeter, posture about erect. Okay, posture erect, and posture with four reversed curves in the spine and upright head, having eye facing in front, eyes facing in front, straight limbs and arms shorter than legs, finger and toes attained flat nails in place of claws. The neck become more mobile to rotate the head for vision in different direction. The size of the skull increased with a much enlarged cerebrum. A logical and symbolic speech developed to communicate with fellow men. The forehead became steep and brow ridges were much reduced. The chin became prominent and snout disappeared. The thoracic part became flattened. Okay. Now social behavior in human evolution. This is the new topic in this chapter. Social evolution, social behavior in human evolution. Social behavior in human evolution. Social behavior in human evolution. Here, establish of the family, monogamy and polygamy. Establish family, first one. ठीक है, मोनो में क्या होता है, सिंगल वाइफ होती है, सिंगल हस्बैंड, दैट इज मोनो. पॉली में सिंगल मेल एंड मोर देन वन फीमेल, दैट इज पॉलीगैमी. Prolonged childhood during which children acquire the prevailing culture. ठीक है, childhood during which children acquire the prevailing culture, increase the use of speech for communication, use of speech for communication. Okay, and development of the concept of a home based and food sharing. होम बेस, ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ. एंड फूड शेयरिंग, ओके. एंड competition for food replaced by cooperation in food gathering enterprises. Division of labor by age and sex. Division of labor by age and sex. Okay. Male hunting in groups, whereas women stay at home for household work. Stabilization of the broader society social structure. extension of geographical range by tolerance of less optimum environments, use of simple and then other complex tools, use of fire in cooking food, fire in cooking food. Okay, and development of the folk wisdom, art, religion, philosophy, science and technology. Okay, now the man of future. Man of future, what is the name? Man of future, name Homo sapien futurus. Homo sapiens futurus. Okay. With the taller and hairless body, Tom-like hat and larger brain with no fifth toe. ठीक है? No fifth toe. And Tom-like head and larger brain and with the no fifth toe. Okay. Now what is your homework? Now write down question for your homework. Give the characteristic of the Cro-Magnon man. Now write down question. Do it in your notebook. Question number 1. Give reason to show that Cro-Magnon men is the direct ancestor of men of today. Now question number 2. Difference between the teeth of ape. Difference between teeth of ape and the teeth of man. Question number 3. Difference between the ape and man. Difference between ape and man. Okay, and write the characteristic feature of Neanderthal man. Write the characteristic features of a typical Neanderthal man. Now do all 4 questions in your notebook and send it to me. Send pics of these questions to me for correction.